What's going on, everyone? Today I'm putting in a Borla exhaust into my 2015 Honda Civic. These are all the tools that we're going to need. So you're going to need jacks, some jack stands, 3/8, 14 and 15 millimeter deep socket, gloves, glasses, and these are the part numbers. It says to reuse these. I'm not. I'm replacing them with brand new ones. So let's get started. Alright, so this is what it's going to look like. We're going to take the old one off the old hangers there, and then it's going to bend around your axle, and there's going to be two bolts that hold it on right by the resonator. We'll show you that in a second. Okay, so when you get under your car, if you got on jack stands, you're going to head here past your axle, and there it is, right by the resonator. The only problem was, when we got over to this before, it's not a 14 or a 15. So far, it seems to be a 12 millimeter. So we're going to try to get this off right now. Okay.
Hold that for a second. Where's the 3/8? Maybe the 12?
3/8?
Oh, I may have left it by my car.
Is this piece connected to... This is connected...
Worst case, we could...
I could pop that hanger off.
Pop it off there. I may be able to get down a little bit.
Yeah, you did.
Okay. You don't have a 1/2 inch to 3/8 adapter, do you? I don't think mine's in that big. Because I got a swivel. But it's a 3/8 swivel. And I don't have my 3/8 gun.
You think that 3/8 snap-on would do the trick, or I put it right in front of you?
I don't like to do that with a swivel. It probably won't.
Gotcha. I mean, I could give you like a 3-inch bar on that extension, or a 6-inch.
Oh, I thought that was the camera. Okay. There we go. Does that tighten a little bit?
It's definitely rusty.
Good thing we got new ones. Don't forget that at home, folks. Alright.
And I guess let's...
Alright, you able to get it out?
Oh. Yep.
Nice.
Oh, God.
Alright, now the hanger should be right in front of you.
Yeah.
Right?
I don't know if you want to move the camera.
Yeah.
She's really low.
Okay. Thanks to my coworkers, you get that loose. Now, as my one coworker said, the nut is actually welded onto the resonator, so you can't get it off. Now, next, here's the tip of the thing. It's right up there. That's where we're going to be trying to get to. Okay. Okay. Let's get that off. Pull that out. Okay. Man, you gotta give Honda credit. They fucking make some really good hangers, man.
Want me to get the pliers?
It's coming. I'm just giving Honda a lot of credit.
They knew the exhaust won't come off. Ever.
Alright. Whew! Alright. Now we just gotta get the new one on. Okay. Alright. Okay. Up. Okay. First one on. Second one on. All right. Whew. All right. Yeah, we can do a quick comparison between the two. Okay. Back up. If you notice, this one is direct in line. The new one, the other one, bottom there, but at the top there. So we're gonna get much better flow. All right, let's get this in. All right.
You got new ones.
Yeah. Well. Well, why don't you want to go in?
You're almost there.
Yeah. Turn it like that. Alright. Right back. You can get it on this hanger.
Maybe require a little bit of force.
Hang on. Alright.
If you need me to hold it, let me know.
Pull back.
Is there even a gasket on that one?
Alright.
Yeah,
Did you change it?
it's still in there.
You want me to get you a new one?
Yeah.
Dude, it fucks me because Garrett calls you hella.
Okay, so we got the new gasket on.
I said it like twice to you, and I'm like, wait, what?
I've got it high, I've got heave, I've got howl.
No, but you put it
So now we're just gonna bolt this up, and then we're good to go.
130?
we're going to get the torque wrench and torque this to its final position, which is 18 to 22 pounds according to Borla.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so the exhaust is on. I'm back at my place. So far so good. It drives great, sounds great. You could definitely, it's not too aggressive, not too loud, but it's definitely there. Hardest part about this job was getting the old gasket off, because it was just seized on there really good, and we had to scrape it all off. That was probably the hardest part about this job. Other than that, like I said, there's the hanger right there. You get that off, 2 bolts, this drops, this comes right out. Fairly easy job to do. Like I said, the gasket was the most pain in the butt part, but I had my co-workers to help me. Big shout out to them, John and Rich. Thank you guys so much for all your help. Greatly appreciate it. It was 2 12mm bolts in the end. So if you go to take on this project, it's a 12mm bolt. The instructions call for a 14 or a 15, but that was way too big. So it's 12mm, and I just used the deep socket 3/8 ratchet wrench, and that was pretty much it. Okay, if you like this video, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Definitely helps out a lot with the channel, and I will see everyone in the next video. Take care.